Chapter 4 of Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, is called The Flood. In this chapter, the author talks about how things changed when humans started farming instead of hunting and gathering. Here are the main points. 1. Agriculture wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. When people switched to farming, it wasn't all good news. Their health actually got worse because their diet became less diverse and they were more prone to diseases. 2. Wheat, the ultimate crop. Wheat became a big deal during this time. It was easy to grow, gave a lot of calories, and lasted a long time when stored. But it also meant that people had to stick around their fields and couldn't move around freely like before. 3. Rich people and poor people. With farming, some people started accumulating more wealth than others. This led to social hierarchies, where some were rich and powerful, while others were poor and had to work for the wealthy. It also made gender roles more rigid, with men having more power. 4. Farming wasn't the only way to go. The author challenges the idea that farming was the only way to progress. He argues that although it had its advantages, it also brought a lot of problems. People in hunter-gatherer societies had more free time, a better diet, and were healthier than early farmers. 5. Expanding and competing. Farming allowed human populations to grow and societies to spread across the globe. With surplus food, more people could be supported, but this also led to competition for resources and expansion into new territories. 6. Messing up the environment. The author talks about the environmental impact of farming. People cleared forests for their fields, which led to deforestation. They also degraded the soil and domesticated animals, which changed ecosystems and caused some plants and animals to go extinct. 7. Goodbye, hunter-gatherers. As farming became more popular, hunter-gatherer societies started disappearing. The farming communities were more numerous and had advantages that made it hard for hunter-gatherers to survive. To sum it up, Chapter 4 explains how the transition from hunting and gathering to farming had its downsides. People's health suffered, social hierarchies and gender roles became more pronounced, and it caused environmental damage. However, farming also allowed for population growth, the spread of societies, and the accumulation of wealth. This shift made farming communities became more dominant.